Guys, I'm sitting on top of my clothes. Do you see all this clothes? It is too much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good on this beautiful day. It's sunny outside but chilly. Perfect weather for fall. I love this weather. Definitely more than summer because of the heat. But welcome back, guys. For today's video, we're going to be doing an organization video, and by the title, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I'm gonna be organizing my dresser. So I thought it was a great opportunity right now to do this video and show you guys and organize with you guys my dresser and find a system that works. If you guys haven't seen the show on Netflix that's called The Home Edit, or on Instagram if you guys follow them, they are amazing and they have inspired me to be more organized, more than what I already am. I think a lot of people say that I am organized, but maybe I'm not. I don't know. Maybe you'll be the judge of that right now that you see my dressers. So it's a good opportunity and a good time to do this video and show you guys, and I guess, yeah, show you guys how I organize, or how I'm gonna be organizing, because definitely right now they are not organized on my drawers. So I'm gonna show you how my dresses are and you'll be the judge if I am actually organized or not. So here we go. All right guys, you guys ready? This is my dresser. I got it from IKEA. I got this when I made a makeover on my entire room. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a little pop-up right here so you guys can check it out. But these two dressers are, so this is how my dresser for my underwear is. Pretty messy. My bras, pretty messy. Yeah, this is definitely these are like the only ones that are actually folded, and then the rest is just jammed in here. This drawer is supposed to be only for socks, as you can tell. These are pretty good socks if you guys want no-show socks. These are from Nike's, from the Nike store. Anyways, this is another one. This is not that bad. I have my jeans, some sweats, I guess, skirts, and the last one is PJs. So that's how my dresser looks, and I'm really ashamed of myself because I try my best to keep them organized, but at the end of the day I just slam things in there, and you know, you're in a run and I need a shirt and let's go. So the first thing to do is we're gonna take everything out of our dressers and put them in our bed, okay? So let's get started. And on top of this, I have my laundry done. So I don't know why and how we accumulate, especially girls, so much clothes. But with this cleaning, we're also gonna declutter. So take out clothes that we don't need, we don't use, we haven't used in years practically. So I encourage you guys to join me. Guys, so what I'm gonna be doing first, I think, is show you guys how I fold my clothes. And then from there, we will put everything back in our drawers. coming back in here and letting you guys know that I finished putting everything. I just got out of the shower and I just wanted to show you guys the final product, I guess I can say, how everything turned out. And I am pretty amazed, and I have so much more space now. So this is how it ended up, guys. Alright guys, and this is how this drawer ended up. I ended up putting my bras on this side now, bralettes, paddings for my bralettes. Everything is folded nice and neat. Looks better. So this is how this ended up. Do you guys remember how my underwears were? This is how it looks now. Really nice and neat. I tried my best to color coordinate these, starting with white to black, blue, green, red, pink, purple. I don't know how this ended up, but nice and neat. Shorts are on this side and I have so much space now. Next drawer is socks. Oh my gosh. I found this little plastic organizer that I had in my room. I wasn't using it for anything, so I decided to put my socks in here just because I feel if I were to put them here, she's gonna get messy again. So this is how this ended up. These are all my socks, short socks. These are kind of like bigger socks. And then these are like socks, complete socks, ankle socks, whatever you guys call them. I am going to put another organizer here and put my fuzzy socks now that winter is coming up. In the back I have my purchased products. I purchased these. These are super soft. I wish you guys can touch them. But yes, that, and I have these in here and other ones of these which are new. But yeah guys, I have so much space here. I don't know what I'm gonna put here now, but we'll see how that goes. Next drawer, I put my shirts. So you can see that I have all my whites and it goes back to the grays and the stripe with, I don't know where to put that one, so I just put it in the back. All my black shirts, t-shirts, long sleeve, short sleeve, I just put them all together. I prefer to do it color coordinated than category, if that makes sense. These are all like my colored shirts. They're not really like, I just randomly put them like that. And these are like my undershirts. And I still have space in here, so I'll probably fill that up later on. Next drawer is my pants, jean pants, dressy pants for work, and then I got my skirts and then dresses in the back. So pretty nice and neat. I still have some space back there. And my last drawer, I got my PJs on this side. These PJs are like the thick cozy ones, so I wasn't able to fold them like this, so I just stacked them. As you can tell, I have 3 of those, so not too much. These are my Adidas joggers. These are joggers, these are pajamas, and these are leggings, shorts, workout shorts, stuff like that. And have so much space here, so we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. I really enjoyed it, and a bonus was that I got my dresser organized. If you guys didn't join me during this video in organizing your dresser, then I suggest that you guys do it, because you guys are going to feel so much better. And I know now where everything is, how everything's supposed to be folded, organized, in what drawer, the whole works. So it is definitely a good feeling. And yep, that's practically it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And like I always say, guys, we're almost there. Hold on tight. Don't quit just yet. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Ciao.